The new concerns over Omicron have some questioning the safety of domestic air travel. Tonight, 4 members of Congress are urging the CDC to implement new testing and vaccination requirements. CBS 46's Alan Devlin is live at Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. And Alan, travelers are worried that this could disrupt their holiday travel plans.
Yeah, Rick, it's one of those things where there are some people who are for it and some people who are against it, right? This could impact millions and millions of America's flyers, every airport, every airline to every destination here. You can see a couple thousand of them right now here this Monday evening. A lot of them collecting their baggage, some of them getting ready to get on a flight. But we spoke to a lot of these passengers here today, and they shared their thoughts. Here's what they had to say.
Right now, it is a little bit nervous because you just don't know who is or isn't protected.
Today, 4 members of Congress sent a letter to the CDC and the FAA suggesting moving towards requiring all domestic travelers to either show proof of vaccination or a negative COVID test before jumping on a plane, saying it would improve public health and address concerns passengers have about flying.
I believe it's a good suggestion. I think that it's either all or none.
Today, we spoke to domestic flyers at Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport.
Otherwise, people are going to slip through that are infected, and then this will just never end.
Some were for it.
I do think it would make me feel safer flying if I knew people had a negative test on domestic flights.
Others against.
I'm against it, kind of, because I do think it's going to be a burden on people.
The suggestion comes as the Omicron variant takes dominance in the U.S. for new cases, and the same day, the White House put out a stark memo warning the unvaccinated of a winter of illness and death.
In the United States, as can be seen, that we are one of the handful of countries that was hit the hardest with this, with now over 50 million cases. And just last week, we passed that very terrible landmark of over 800,000 deaths.
As of now, neither the CDC nor the FAA has responded to the request.
I think if we just all buckle down and just work together, for a little while, then we can beat this thing.
And so right now, I've got it right here in my hand. This is that letter that they sent to the CDC and the FAA. I want to emphasize, again, this is just a suggestion for now, a recommendation. There's a lot more that would need to happen in order for this to become nationwide regulation. For now, we're live in Hartsfield International Airport. Alan Devlin, CBS 46 News.
Alan, thank you.